Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you a nice affordable little crew cab truck. It's an '04 Dodge Dakota. It's got pretty decent tread still on the tires. Factory silver wheels, been painted black, kind of goes with pickups. Definitely got some scratches and things on it. You can see the bumper's chipped up. A little bit of kind of primer flat paint's been put on it because it's got some rust. There's some more scratches. So, but good basic transportation. I drove the truck about 40 miles, runs and drives good, and that's all you're basically looking for on something like here. It's got 3 keys, 143,069, so pretty decent miles for its age. Here's the blinkers, horn works. There's your fan. Now it's on air. Don't know why, definitely won't need air. There's your radio. Those got the power group. So all your windows work, so everything works on the truck. Runs good. I'll show you the lights. There's power seat. Interior's in relatively good shape. A little crack in the console there, but seat's not really ripped or anything. Back seats are in good shape. So like here, they've had some rust and the paint was coming off, so there you can see it's rusty there. Bumper's really rusty. Like I said, truck runs good, 4.7 V8 automatic. So we're just looking for a cheap 4-wheel drive. This truck will work. Like I said, local trade-in here in town. The guy who had it, traded in, had it for quite a few years. So if you're just looking for some basic 4x4 to hunt, fish, or get you through the winter, this is definitely an affordable crew cab. 605-692-7010.